Hey guys, welcome back to Mark 2 Golf Stories. We're at GTI today, and today we're going to be looking at this. You hear that grinding? Doesn't sound good. Let's see if we can figure out what the hell is going on. Let's go. First of all, she has the proper grill back on and she's looking a lot better for it as well, I think. Secondly, today's band shirt is Glue Ear. That's my band. We've got a new song coming out at the end of November, so make sure to drop us a follow on Spotify and all that. Anyway, back to the issue for today's video. So let me see if the microphone is picking this up or not. You hear that? Now, when she went in for the MOT, the guy at the garage did mention this, and it seemed to indicate that it could be the wheel bearing. But I'm hoping it's something on the pads or something to do with the brakes. So I guess we'll get this wheel off, give it a turn, we'll take the pads out, see if it's still doing it. If it's still doing it with pads out, then yeah, we're going to go wheel bearing because there's not much movement that way. A little bit that way, but not a whole lot. So hopefully it's just something on the pads. Let's have a look. Ooh, a lot of grease from the CV joint here. So, you know what, I think it might be hitting on. I think it might be hitting on the shield. Okay, so it's not hitting on the shield. Where's it coming from? That grease out of that boot's not good. Is that boot coming off? Don't know if you can see this as well, but there are a shitload of metal filings all over the top here, top of the pad. So yeah, that's not a good sign, is it? Let's get these pads off and have a look. Let's see if we've still got that grinding sound. No, nothing. Is it hitting against this? Right. Okay, let's give all this a fucking clean. So that wheel bearing's not making a sound, is it? It's basically these, that's what it is, these discs are hitting the carrier. Oh dear, and of course, once again, it's starting to rain. So that's what the problem is. Let's give all these a bit of a clean up as well. Right, that's a bit tighter now, hopefully. Put it all back together. Grinding anymore. Ow. Right, that sounds a bit better. Let's get the wheel on next. Right, so that's all tightened up now, and it's still a bit grindy, isn't it? Not too bad though. I'll drop it down, tighten these up, take it for a drive and see how she sounds. But yeah, I do need to look at that CV booth as well, but that's a job for another day. Just this for now. Well, there we go. It wasn't the wheel bearing, it was just a hub carrier grinding into the brake disc. So, win. Glad that's sorted. That could have been a bad way to go. But yes, at least I have to change my wheel bearing, so win-win. I'm going to check this side, make sure that's okay as well. But that's going to be the end of this video for now. If you found it useful or even mildly entertaining, give us a like, maybe click on subscribe. If you're feeling really, really generous, you can always buy me a coffee or a beer. I'll link down below. Once again, thank you to everyone for watching this. I know there's probably a very niche amount of people who are interested in it, and if you've watched it all the way through this video, don't forget to leave a comment, Dubber, down below. Oh, by the way, speaking of Dubber, we've got a new t-shirt out, which I'll put on screen now, available to buy. It's pretty cool. See you in a video again soon. Bye bye.